Weather. The big story today is the weather. You've got some snow on live Guardian radar.
Yeah, and the timing is unfortunate because it's moving in just for the morning drive. And this is going to accumulate. We're not seeing it accumulate yet in the Indy Metro, but it will later this morning. Right now, the heaviest returns are south of the metro area, but we do have some light snow from Newcastle into Richmond. Indianapolis seeing some flurries. Notice that pink shade further to the south of I-70. We are getting some mixed precipitation falling in Bloomington as we speak. Temperatures are below freezing. This is going to stick. It will be an icy commute for those down in Bloomington, Nashville, and Bedford this morning. Lighter snow not accumulating yet in Brownsburg, Indy, up through the Anderson, Greenfield, and Newcastle area. But between 8 and noon, that's when it gets heavier in the Indy Metro, and that's where we're expecting it to start to accumulate. Right now, where we are seeing accumulation is south of the Indy Metro. That band is going to work to the north between now and 8 o'clock this morning. Snowing arriving in Indy by that point, and it will start sticking pretty much right away. 10 o'clock, we'll start to get those returns north of the Indy Metro, Lafayette and Peru. That's when it'll start snowing in your neighborhood, continuing through the lunch hour at noon, and then starting to taper off between noon and 3 o'clock. So the most accumulation will happen between 8 and noon. A clearing sky tonight and frigid air moving in for the end of the week. Here's what we're thinking: 1 to 3 inches. The cutoff will be Lafayette, Tipton, and Muncie, down to the south Bloomington and Columbus on the southern extent of that 1 to 3. Outside that band, we're talking about an inch of snowfall through the early afternoon. Current temperatures, it's 28 in Indy right now, 31 where we're seeing some mixed precipitation in Bloomington. That will change over to snow, but we're not going to see a large swing in our temperatures today, just a high of 31 in the Indy Metro. Here's the Arctic air. It's moving into central Indiana. By this time tomorrow, wind chills will be in the single digits. Even as we head into tomorrow night, they'll be dropping to about 0 by Wednesday night, even below 0. And then by Thursday morning, wind chill advisory is likely. Wind chills could be as cold as -15 north of the Indianapolis metro area. And again, that's Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon, also the coldest by far this week, with just a high of 15. And another messier storm system for the weekend. Snow showers Friday night and a rain-snow mix on Saturday. Bill?
Interesting next 24 hours, and actually